Hi everyone, welcome back again to Lucy Family Kitchen. And please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please support my channel by clicking on that subscription button and also like and share this video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make delicious beef shawarma. So watch this video till the end to see how I made this delicious shawarma. So to make beef shawarma, you need to first marinate your beef, wash and cut your boneless beef, then transfer to a large mixing bowl, add beef stock cube, add cardamom powder, paprika powder, dried parsley leaf, add your ginger powder, this is optional, then add salt to taste. Next, add your suya spice. This is optional, but it gives it nice taste and flavor. Add your red powdered chilli. Add your yogurt and your sliced onion. Then spray some vegetable oil. Use your hand to mix everything together. So once you are done mixing, cover with a cling film or a kitchen towel, then place it in your refrigerator and let it marinate for at least 3 hours before you use it. 3 hours later, place an empty dried non-stick pan on the heat, spray some vegetable oil, then go ahead and add your marinated meat and let it grill. Ten minutes later, flip the other side of the beef and let it grill for another 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, take your cooked beef off the meat and repeat the same process with the remaining marinated meat. So the next step is to prepare your stir-fried onion and cabbage. Place your pan on the heat, spray some vegetable oil, allow it to heat up, and after that add in your sliced onion and stir fry it for at least 3 minutes. And after 3 minutes, add in your sliced cabbage. Next, add in some spices like dried parsley leaf, salt, cardamom powder, and after that, stir fry the cabbage and the onions for another 3 more minutes. After you are done, take it off the heat and transfer it to a plate. So the next step is to prepare your shawarma sauce. In a clean plate, add in your yogurt, mayonnaise, fresh garlic, or you can also use powdered one, add in some salt, add in chili hot sauce, add in some cardamom powder, then go ahead to use your spatula to mix everything together. Next, pour your grilled meat on your chopping board. Use your kitchen knife to cut it to any sizes of your choice, and after that, set it aside. So finally guys, this is the time to prepare the shawarma roll now. Place 2 shawarma wrap on any clean and dried surface. Then use your spatula to spread the shawarma sauce which you made on the shawarma wrap, and after that, add in your stir-fried onion and cabbage on your shawarma wrap. Next, add your cut beef on your shawarma wrap and also add another extra stir-fried cabbage and onion on your shawarma wrap. Also add your suya spice. This is optional, but it will help to give it more flavor. Let's go ahead and wrap your shawarma now. So when rolling your shawarma, make sure you roll it gently so that your cabbage and your beef won't fall out. So this is my shawarma wrap. After I'm done rolling it, repeat the same process with the remaining shawarma wrap. So finally, place an empty dried pan on the heat. Let it heat up, then spread some vegetable oil on it. Place your rolled shawarma and let it cook for 2 minutes. Then go ahead and flip the other side and let it cook for another 2 more minutes. And after that, take it off the heat, serve and enjoy. So guys, this is what my shawarma look like, and don't forget to tell me what you think about this beef shawarma recipe, and don't forget to click on that subscription button to support my channel. Also like and share this video. See you guys on my next video. Bye.